So this is how I personally like to set up a kettlebell swing. I like to make basically an equilateral triangle between my feet and the kettlebell, okay? So the bell's only going to be going between the knees, not lower, not higher, okay? So I like to stand up tall, flex up my hips, putting my hips back. And when my palm of my hands are slightly above my kneecap, I'm going to drop my hips down, grab the bell, tense, hike back, extend the hips. Don't need to go too much farther. All from the hips, not lifting with the arms, and carefully setting it down. So hopefully that helps you. Get ready on your kettlebell swing.